Alright guys, we're about to cross over the Hoover Dam.
Just had to go through security.
Yes.
They asked if we had any guns. We were like, no sir.
And I probably won't post the last video since I didn't know you can't pause on an iPhone.
You just say part 1, part 2?
Okay, this is part 2, whatever. We're in the Challenger, getting ready to cross Hoover Dam.
This is dam.
It's a damn dam.
So, what do you call a fish that hits its head on the concrete?
I don't know, what do you call it?
Damn. Okay, it's better than your dam's a little joke. If you want to park up there and walk that whole thing up there, it's $10 plus $25.
Yeah, Sticker Shock. We went on that cruise. You probably see pictures from, and it was $28 a ticket for the cruise, and then $25 just to get to the boat. That was crazy. I didn't know it was gonna cost that to get to the boat, but whatever. The Hoover Security Response Force. So the Hoover Dam has its own own police station. Basically.
Now imagine this: until 2010, people had to do this every day to get past here.
Yeah.
It was the only way through here was here.
This is crazy, y'all. This is beautiful.
There's that bridge we just went on.
Yeah, we just went on the Pat Tillman Bridge there. That's pretty cool.
Pretty cool. Look at the people in the car in front of us. We thought we had the coolest car. Oh, look at that sign. Have y'all ever seen that sign? It's like on the mountain.
Yeah, Shannon wouldn't let me drive about 5 minutes ago. Ferrari got behind us, and I had my little need for speed. We're in the Challenger right now. But she said no, so whatever.
Ooh, we're fixing to go over.
Alright, making that turn, go over the Hoover Dam.
Again, think about how much congested traffic with like big rigs and stuff. We had to do this until 2010.
Right. And it is pretty
There's
damn narrow. There's the dam right there. It's pretty cool.
I always think of the Vegas vacation movies.
Yes, I keep wondering if Chevy Chase really, I mean, I'm pretty sure that was a green screen, but could you imagine?
Taking off, yeah.
Yeah, could you imagine?
Look, RV for rent.
Hey, we'll make the next RV movies. Maybe that could be our next vacation.
And if you wanted to park, you have to park on the Arizona side.
Yeah.
Because if you know me, you know I read up everything. You have to park on the Arizona side and then walk the half mile across the bridge to that. Which, compared to what we've been walking, would be nothing. But we're going to take it in the air conditioning.
So we learned earlier on the little Lake Mead cruise that
right there. Hold on for a second. That little thing right there, they talked about the 6 people that died building the dam.
It was 96 people.
Oh, excuse me. Anyway, that's a memorial to them too, but it's also a cafe and stuff. But that's the tribute for that.
Yeah, I was just going to talk about that. There was 96 people that died on building this dam, and unbeknownst to popular opinion, no one is actually buried in the dam. So
they recovered everybody.
They recovered everybody's body.
So there's the dam tours.
Yeah, we're not going to do the dam tours.
That was 5 hours for $75.
Yeah, it was a lot of walking, and we did 5 miles yesterday, 3.5 before the day before, 3.5 the day before. So our old legs and knees are tired right now.
Look, elevator to the visitor center.
That's cool. Elevator in the mountain.
To the visitor center. Here, look. See, with a canine dog. U.S. Department of the Interior. This definitely doesn't look like that movie Fools Rush In, does it?
No. I wanted to throw a big coin over in the middle of the dam, like what's her name? Selma Hayek does at Fools Rush In.
I'm pretty sure you can't stop.
I'm pretty sure if I rolled down the window and tried to throw anything out, it would probably be bum rushed by security anyway. So.
Yeah, let's not do that. Flag of the country.
Yeah.
Honor of those men who, vision of the lonely lands, conceived this great work. Lake Mead is named after the main, what do you call it?
The foreman of.
No, he wasn't a foreman. He was the engineer.
The engineer of the Hoover Dam. Nevada time is 2:14, according to that clock right there.
But we're fixing to cross.
We're about to cross right
Arizona.
here.
I don't know about
Oh no. This is your walkway. We'll see the sign. Hoover Dam, Herbert Clark Hoover, named in honor of
Herbert Hoover, maybe?
Herbert Clark Hoover.
Maybe this is the middle line, because there's Arizona time.
Yeah, we've now crossed back over into Arizona. Ironically, it's the same exact time as Nevada.
Only until you get a little bit later. No, only until you get like later in the minute.
There's another picture of the Pat Tillman Bridge.
Well, it's got another name too. It's like two guys.
Yeah, like
The
the
guy
former
that was-
governor of Nevada. He was a Korean War vet and hero, and then Pat Tillman, who died after 9/11 when he left professional football to go fight for our country.
Here's the crazy thing. We're on the Hoover Dam, but you can't really see any pictures of it.
Right.
Like, it's just like concrete.
Well, I mean,
Oh, interesting fact I read on the cruise. 76 years later, the concrete for the Hoover Dam is still curing in the middle.
yeah.
76 years later. And it is meant to last 10,000 years. Now, once again, imagine this used to be the only way across. Can you imagine how long it took to go through?
Alright, well, this is Jeremy, Shannon, honeymoon, day, what, 4?
Hoover Dam.
Hoover Dam tours.
Damn straight.
Say bye, babe.
Bye.